Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add Google Drive suggested files widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen touch and hold, then tap on widgets. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on Drive. Now go down and tap and hold on suggested files, so touch and hold and then drag it out onto your home screen and let go. And that's it. Now you can expand the widget by dragging on the handle at the bottom to make it higher or wider, and then tap on a blank spot on the screen to save the changes. And that's it. So from here you can quickly search for documents by tapping on the search button, or you can simply tap on the documents available in here. So you can just tap on that to open up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.